Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my Neem hair oil recipe that will boost your hair growth and will give you 100% guaranteed results. For this, you will need only 3 simple ingredients, which are pure organic coconut oil, organic castor oil, and last but certainly the most important ingredient, which is pure neem oil. Now let me show you guys how to make this wonderful hair oil. Take a clean bowl or a measuring glass like this and add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of neem oil. Mix everything very well. Now, you need to lightly warm the oil before applying it to your hair. So as I always say, double boiling method is the best way to heat an oil without losing its properties or benefits. So now I took another bowl and poured some hot boiling water. It should be boiling water, and I placed my measuring glass into it. Never ever microwave your hair oil. Please always keep that in mind because it will 100% make your hair oil useless. It will kill the oil. So please never microwave your oil. Let it sit for around 1 to 2 minutes. Let it warm the oil. Here, as you can see, I am also soaking a cotton ball into my hair oil. Now, let me show you guys how to apply this. I have been applying this hair oil for the past 2 weeks now, and I can see a huge difference on my hair growth. I can definitely see some baby hairs emerging from my hairline, which is very exciting, you know. Okay, so now let's apply the hair oil. Try to apply this hair oil with the help of a cotton ball, as not only will this make it easier, but also this method ensures that the oil reaches all parts of your scalp and eventually helps the scalp to absorb the oil faster. Now, let me share with you guys some benefits of using this hair oil. Neem oil is a very good remedy for people who suffer from hair thinning or balding. This oil helps your hair and scalp to strengthen your hair follicles and will automatically promote hair growth. Not just that, it will also make your hair shine, reduce dandruff and treat head lice. Coconut oil, as you all know, will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker and longer. The vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrates the cuticles of the hair. Castor oil is also said to moisturize the scalp, ease dandruff and leave your hair smooth and shiny. When applied to the scalp, it's supposed to enhance the health of the hair follicles and in turn promote hair growth as well as protect against hair loss. And also guys, it's very normal to lose hair while applying any hair oil. This happens because we are waking the hair follicles and the dead hair follicles just falls off. This happens all the time, which is quite normal, so no need to worry about it at all. Apply this hair oil at least 2 times a week. You can also apply this hair oil overnight and wash it off in the morning, which is how I personally like to do. Okay. By the way guys, always massage your hair very well while applying any hair oil, as this increases the blood flow and which will promote hair growth. So after applying the hair oil, you can either put a hair cap or a warm towel over your head to help the scalp absorb the oil much faster. I personally prefer the cap and I feel it generates more heat. You can also sleep with the hair cap on, which prevents the oil from staining your pillow covers. If you don't have time to put it overnight, then you can just wash it off in 1 hour. Shampoo and condition as you normally do. Try this at home, guys. I'm sure you will fall in love with his hair oil instantly. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Love you.